Odd numbers and Muslim. I want us to talk about an interesting topic, that why do Muslim like odd numbers? What happens to our body if we eat an odd number of dates? When it comes to eating dates, is there an odd or even number that's better? Believe it or not, the answer is both. Can your body tell you've eaten 3, 4, or 10 dates? According to research, the effect of eating an even or odd number of dates on your body is the same. Our bodies don't have a way of knowing whether we have consumed a particular number of dates. So, when you eat dates, whether in odd or even numbers, the effect on blood sugar levels and metabolism remains the same. There is a common belief among Muslims that eating dates in odd numbers is preferred to even. This is according to the Islamic religion and culture. Several Quran verses and hadiths support this idea. For instance, 1. Allah loves odd numbers. Allah is one and loves what is odd. 2. Allah made most of his creations in odd numbers. The earth, heavens, seas, days of the week are 7. 3. The attributes and names of Allah are 99. 4. Most Islamic acts of worship are in odd numbers. 5. Pillars of the Islamic faith are 5. 6. Muslims circulate the Kaaba 7 times. 7. They perform sa'i and throw pebbles or stones 7 times. 8. Performing ablution involves washing specific parts of the body 3 times. 9. Minimum requirement of giving out zakah is odd. 10. Laylat al-Qadri, the night of power where the Quran was sent down on earth, is found in the last 5 odd nights of Ramadan. Dear audience, here I put the summary of the whole video. I hope everyone got some idea about why Muslims choose odd over even. Thank you for watching.
Dear everyone, if you have found my content useful or enjoyable, I would like to kindly request that you consider subscribing to my channel or following my social media accounts.